Want to make your educational website stand out? The right color combinations can enhance readability, boost engagement, and create a learning-friendly environment. Today, we're diving into the best color palettes for educational websites and how they influence user experience. Think colors don't matter? Studies show that the right color choices can improve comprehension and retention rates in students. So, let's break down the best color combinations that will make your educational website both attractive and effective. Why color matters? Think colors are just for aesthetics? Think again. Studies show that the right color combinations can influence mood, comprehension, and even how long users stay on a website. Blue can increase focus and build trust. Red can create a sense of urgency and passion. Green promotes relaxation and balance. By choosing the right color scheme, you can create a learning environment that's inviting, engaging, and effective. Best color combinations. Let's explore the top 5 color combinations that work best for educational websites, along with real-world examples of where they shine. Blue and white, trust and clarity. Ever wondered why most school and university websites use blue? It's because blue is the color of trust, stability, and intelligence. When paired with white, it creates a clean, professional look that enhances readability and keeps the focus on content. Best for universities, online courses, and professional training websites. Example, think of platforms like Coursera or LinkedIn Learning. Both use blue tones to create a trustworthy and structured experience. Green and beige, balance and growth. Green is the color of growth, balance, and renewal, making it a perfect choice for educational websites focused on sustainability, nature, or wellness. When combined with beige, it creates a natural, earthy feel that reduces eye strain and makes reading comfortable. Best for environmental studies, mindfulness courses, and learning platforms that focus on sustainability. Example, websites for agricultural studies, eco-friendly initiatives, or yoga and wellness programs. Orange and gray, energy and focus. Need an energetic and engaging color scheme? Orange is associated with enthusiasm, creativity, and motivation. But to avoid overwhelming users, pairing it with neutral gray balances the visual experience, making content easy to consume. Best for online coaching programs, motivational courses, and interactive learning websites. Example, think of platforms like Udemy, which use warm, energetic tones to keep learners engaged. Purple and yellow, creativity and attention. Purple represents imagination and wisdom, while yellow is attention-grabbing and playful. This combination works well for younger students or creative subjects like art, music, and design. Best for kids' e-learning platforms, art and music schools, and courses that focus on innovation. Example, many children's educational websites, like Beige, use bright colors like yellow and purple to create a fun learning experience. Red and white, bold and impactful. Red is a powerful, attention-grabbing color that evokes passion and urgency. However, too much red can be overwhelming, so pairing it with white ensures clarity and balance. This is a great choice for websites that want to make a bold statement while keeping the focus on learning. Best for exam preparation sites, academic competition platforms, and high-energy learning environments. Example, think of test prep sites like Khan Academy's SAT Prep, which often use bold, contrasting colors to highlight key information. How to choose the right color palette. Know your audience. Bright and playful colors work for younger students, while muted, professional tones suit higher education. Understand color psychology. Different colors trigger different emotions and responses. Use no more than 2 to 3 primary colors. Too many colors can make your site look cluttered. Stick to a clean, cohesive palette. Now that you know the best color combinations for educational websites, it's time to put them to use. A well-designed site isn't just about looking good, it's about creating an environment where learning thrives. Need more design tips? Subscribe to Verpex.